Hello friends, this is Sawan Kumar. Welcome back to the Real Estate Websites and Marketing Show with me. Today in this video, we are going to talk more about the ultimate real estate lead generation. How exactly can you always have a pipeline full of leads? I know that the most important and the most crucial challenge that you face in your business is a consistent flow of leads. You might have a couple of them today, but you are not sure if you would be having somebody in the next week. And this is one challenge that I would say most of the real estate agents face. And this is one challenge for which I am going to provide you with the solution. So we are going to talk about landing pages, high converting landing pages, low cost lead generation, and a lot more. So you need to be with me till the end of the video. Hit on the like button, put down a comment below, and if you do that, if you hit on the like button, if you click on the comment below, if you subscribe to the channel, I'll be sharing with you the free templates, free funnels that I have built and have been successful for a lot of real estate agents to you at absolutely no cost. So do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button, add a comment of yours, and I'll be in touch with you. So let's get started with understanding what a funnel is first before jumping over to the landing pages and stuff. So a funnel. Whenever we talk of funnel, it looks like something triangular in shape. So yeah, let's jump onto my computer to see what a funnel looks like. So that's a funnel that starts with capturing the leads. Anybody who has come to your landing page or your website or your social media, we make them go to fill up. We ask them to fill up a form, and wherein we capture them as a lead. So that is the first stage of the funnel. Now once we have captured the leads, we nurture them with the help of some content marketing, regular email, running drip campaigns, sending them messages, WhatsApps, calling them, and more. So that is nurturing of them. Then when they are nurtured, what you do is you book an appointment with them to meet in person or over Zoom or online. So when the appointment is booked, what is done? You have already closed him, isn't it? So when you are able to automate all of this, the capture, the nurture, the close, and repeat it multiple number of times, what you get is a consistent flow of leads for yourself. Right? So let us, without wasting a lot of time, jump on to how exactly should you be building your landing pages, how exactly can you reduce the cost of your leads. Until now, you have been spending a fortune getting shared leads from platforms like Zillow or Realtor, but nothing has been working for you, and you have been ending up with a very inconsistent flow of leads, an empty pipeline with nothing that you can predict, and we are going to end it all today with the system that I'm going to share with you. So as we saw, or as we spoke about the pipeline, about the funnel, let us now talk about the landing pages and how important they are, how should they be done so that you can generate leads. Now, when we talk of landing pages, they start with a Facebook ad, maybe a social media profile, or the posts that you make. So it can be organic, it can be paid, whatever it is. There has to be a place where people come and get to know about you, and then they click on a link, which is what we call as a CTA. They click on the link to further connect with you. Okay, so let us assume in our case it to be a Facebook ad or a social media profile, Instagram profile, where a visitor is coming and now what he wants to know more about you, and which is why he clicks on the CTA button that you have given to jump to a landing page. Now these landing pages are of two types. One is of where you get high quality leads, and one is you get a low cost lead. High quality lead, and the second one is low cost lead. Who does not want high quality leads? All of us want, right? But getting high quality leads does not come alone. It also comes with very, very, very high costs. The conversion rates are very high in case of high quality leads. But when you focus on quantity, when you try and get a lot of leads, the number of leads are high, the cost is low, but the benefit is that you get an email list of hundreds of leads in your area, in your target area, who you can nurture, and maybe that when they are willing to buy or sell something, the first person who comes to their mind is you. Because why I'm saying this is because, or why I like the second option the most is because that the second option helps you keep the cost of lead acquisition very low, and at the same time it gives you the opportunity to reach out, to connect with hundreds and hundreds of people, nurture them, and make your clients. So this, what it does is it helps you get a pipeline full of helps you with a pipeline full of leads that are going to convert always. So let's get started and understand what a landing page should look like, what a Facebook ad or Facebook post should look like, and how exactly can it help you in generating the leads. The first thing is, so let's say this is your Facebook page, and here we have a post for a new listing, an image that we have uploaded, and now we want people to click on this link or this link, which will take them to the landing page that we have done for them. Now these landing pages can be of two types, like I already spoke to you. One could be of high quality leads and the other one could be a low cost, more number of leads. How exactly would they look and how are they different? When we talk of a high quality lead, when we talk of a low conversion, high cost, high quality lead, the only difference between both of them, between the high quality lead and the low cost lead, is that the form that you have on the landing page is pretty detailed in cases of high quality leads. So if you want a high quality lead, what you need to do is, if I click on this button, you see there are just 4 of the fields: full name, phone number, email ID, city, and submit. Now this is something where people are going to, you are going to get a bulk of people who are filling up this form, who are going to fill up this form, and this would end up being a low cost, a low quality, but more in terms of quantity. But if you want a high quality one, what you need to do is you can add multiple number of questions that you want to ask to qualify a lead. What kind of property, what is the price range, how soon are they willing to buy? So all of these questions you can add to the form, make this form a little longer, and since the form would be longer, only people with high intent of buying or selling would be interested in filling up the form, and hence you would end up getting high quality leads with lower conversion rates, because a lot of people are going to bounce back because they would not be interested in filling up such a long form and they're going to bounce off, and hence increasing your cost of conversion but making sure that you get best quality of leads. However, I prefer this second one, which is you only have your first full name, email address, and a phone number. That's all. You need not even need a city for this. Submit it. Now that you have captured the leads name, email ID, and phone number, you can start a nurturing campaign when and this is exactly how people who are going to might not buy today, might not be interested in buying or selling a property today, but in maybe in the next 6 months or 1 year of time, if you have been nurturing them consistently, whenever they will need to buy a property or sell a property, the first name that would be coming to their mind would be you, because you have been in touch. And this is what this will do is it will keep your pipeline, as I said before, always full. So these are the two different types of landing pages that you can make. See, the idea behind this landing page is that I have kept it very simple, with no distractions at all. Just an image of the property, a small sweet line about the property, and a button that they can click to fill up their details. That is all. You do not have any distraction. This will help you in tracking the data, in making sure that your lead cost is low and gets you the maximum result. So this was all about the capturing of the leads. Now, once we have captured the leads, what exactly do we do about nurturing them? So in the agent group system, if you see, if we come to this page, where is this page that I'm talking about? Okay. If I click on automation, you will see, what you would see is, you can create a workflow. What this workflow does is a magic. Let's see. Let's see if we have something already done. If not, let us create a new workflow. Start from scratch. Now here it is. When does the workflow triggers is when anybody submits the form on that lead page. Okay. The trigger is filling up of the form. So let's say form submitted is the trigger. Save the trigger. The next step, what do you want to do? Send an email. So you can write your name, from, subject. If you have any template that you want to send, you can send that, or if you want to custom write that email, you can simply save that. Let's do it. Let's assume it's savan@agentgrowthsystem.com. Test. That's an email. How soon do you want it to go? Wait for maybe a minute. So in a minute you want the email to go. Then what you want it to do is again wait for maybe 15 minutes. And what you want it to do next is send them an SMS. Test, send it, and then again you want it to wait for a couple of minutes. So let's say an hour. And then the next thing that you want to do is give them a call, or maybe leave a voicemail for them, or send them a DM on Instagram, or send them a message on Messenger, or give them a call, or whatever actions you want to take. So you can create a complete nurturing flow. So let's say you sent an email on day 1. You again want to send an email after maybe on day 2. Wait for 1 day and then send an email again. So this is how you nurture them. And at the end of the nurturing, you always ask them that if they want to book an appointment with you, click on this link below. And when they click on the appointment link, where we take them is to this page. So they have a calendar where they can always go and schedule a call with you, select the date, the location, etc., etc., fill up the form, and then jump on a call with you. That is exactly how you can build an ultimate, the best, the most performing, the highest performing landing pages. How do you do it? By building up the systems that Agent Growth System provides to you and making sure that it works to your benefit. Yeah. So if this video has been useful to you, do not forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, give your comments below if you have any questions, or if you want me to focus on something else, any particular area that you are not very clear about. I'll be coming up with the same in the next video. And yes, if you want the free templates, if you want the free follow-up workflows, then hit me, message me in the comments, and I'll be sharing those with you. See you in the next video. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.